Hello, my name is Caleb and welcome to Teach You to the Class. Today I will teach you of how to make an Oreo popsicle. The Oreo popsicle is very good in the summer because it's refreshing and when it's very hot. The ingredients are 1 1/2 cup of evaporated milk, 1/3 cup of condensed milk, and 3/4 cup of regular milk, and some Oreos. Now we're gonna mix the ingredients. First, pour in the regular milk. Be sure to be very careful. Next, we're gonna pour in the evaporated milk. I'm scared. Be sure to be very careful. Oops. Oopsie daisies. Now we're gonna pour in the condensed milk. Be sure to use a spoon while doing this because it's very sticky. It's just talking. Make sure to mix very good while doing this. You can mix it any way you want. Just make sure you're mixing. It's all done. I had my mom transfer the mixture from the bowl to here. Next, you'll need an Oreo. Be sure to crack into pieces that shape your mold. When you do so, please put it into the mold. Have an adult help you to pour the mixture. Now it's ready to be put into the freezer for 8 hours or until it freezes. While waiting, you can also make other popsicles using any drinkable liquid like orange juice, soda, or pineapple juice. Or you could read a book. Also, you can play one of your favorite video games. Okay. Yay, 8 hours! 8 hours later, it's taking so long. After 8 hours, please dip your popsicles in warm water so the popsicles can easily be removed. When done, carefully remove the popsicle from the mold. If you don't have any more popsicle molds, you can use plastic pouches. We have hired an expert in popsicle tasting, which is my sister. How does it taste? And that is how you make an Oreo popsicle. You're right, it does taste delicious.